Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious crème brûlée cupcakes. We'll start by baking the perfect vanilla bean cupcake base, ensuring it's light and fluffy. Then, I'll guide you through creating that rich, silky custard filling that makes crème brûlée so special. Finally, we'll master the iconic caramelized sugar topping, giving your cupcakes that satisfying crack. Get ready to impress everyone with this elegant dessert, combining two beloved treats into one amazing bite. First, let's create our vanilla bean cupcake base. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Cream together 1/2 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alternate adding your dry ingredients with 1/2 cup of milk, mixing until just combined. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes. Now for the star of the show, the silky custard filling. In a bowl, whisk together 4 large egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until pale. In a saucepan, gently heat 1 cup of heavy cream with a split vanilla bean until simmering. Slowly temper the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. Return the mixture to the saucepan and low heat, stirring until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Strain and chill completely. Finally, let's assemble and finish these beauties. Once your cupcakes are completely cooled, use a small paring knife or a cupcake corer to create a cavity in the center of each. Fill each cored cupcake with about 2 tablespoons of the chilled vanilla bean custard. Then, sprinkle approximately 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar evenly over the top of the custard. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it's a beautiful golden brown, creating that signature crisp shell. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.